Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table saw blades for ripping that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Taichiv 40-tooth ATB Carbide framing saw blades for timber and wood cutting. Taichiv 40-tooth ATB Carbide saw blade is an all-purpose blade, especially for ripping. It perfectly fits on circular saws, miter saws, and table saws. The module can operate up to 5,500 RPM, making it easy to cut timber, both hardwood and softwood. It is well designed to maximize the accuracy of the cuts. The 40-tooth blade creates severe and bevel cuts correctly to make an artistic cut. The module has a 5/8 arbor enhanced with a diamond knockout. The carbide material made by ultra-coated and non-stick perma-shield to enhance the durability. These materials used to coat the blade prevent corrosion, rust, and remove excess heat for easy cleaning. It is well engineered to handle softwood safely without cracking or splintering. The teeth are in a set with a gullet for separating chips. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Overpeak 10-inch ripping table saw blade ATB Ultra Fine Finishing. With a top of 6,000 RPM, this Overpeak table saw a ripping blade that can use in almost any saw. Making it even handier is the variety of tooth options available, from 30 to 90 TPI. It's a little expensive than some of its most similar competitors, though we don't feel that it provides extra value. It's supposed to be a thin curved blade but practically thicker than other blades. It is crafted from tungsten carbide to cut material very quickly. 6 laser cut expansion slots and 4 laser cut stabilizer vents trap noise and vibration to keep it cool and reduce blade warp. This 10-inch carbide blade is suitable for ripping wood, crosscuts wood, plywood, and laminate work. This table saw blade leaves so smooth cut that you may think it has sanded by 600 grit sandpaper. At number 3, we have the Dewalt DW3106P5 10-inch table saw blades. The Dewalt DW3106P5 comes with an attractive offer of 2 blades for the price of 1, which is excellent if the blades live up to their potential. One with 32 teeth for ripping or other general-purpose tasks, and the other with 60 teeth for high-quality crosscutting. These blades are made by a computer-balanced plate that reduces vibration and leads to increased accuracy and a better finish. The unique wedge shoulder design produces a smooth finish with very little waste. Ultra-sharp construction carbide lives up to heavy-duty use and able to provide clean cuts. Finely carves through the material because of its thin kerf, leaving a smooth cut quickly. Capable of performing on varieties of wood crosscuts, slices through plywood, chipwood, hardwood and softwood. At number 2, we have the CMT 201.024.10 Industrial Table Ripping Saw Blade. CMT 201.024.10 10-inch, 24-tooth table saw blade is equally perfect at home performing crosscuts and professional ripping cut in hard and softwood. The price is affordable and within reach of most DIY people. Out of the box, the blade was straight and accurate, as you'd hope to see. Micrograin carbide teeth last longer and deliver smooth cuts on soft or hardwood. PTFE non-stick coating keeps the blade cool and protects against corrosion. It is made of premium German steel to ensure reliable cutting performance. For more robust work, the kerf thickness is 0.126 and plate thickness is 0.087 to provide durable cut. Moreover, a 20 degrees hook angle gives flexibility at work. These blades are equipped with a unique anti-kickback joint behind each tooth to minimize the possibility of dangerous kickback. And finally, at number 1, we have the Irwin Marples 1,807,368 table saw blade for ripping. If looking for the perfect table saw blades for ripping, Irwin 1,807,368 is ideal with a 10-inch diameter and a standard 5/8 arbor. It comes with a thin kerf of 0.98, so before a working check, the blade works with a riping knife and a splinter. This 50-teeth blade engineered with oversized, high-quality carbide, which provides the extended life and flawless finish to professional woodworkers and carpenters. The blades are precision tensioned for flawless cuts. They also feature a heat-resistant, non-stick coating with an aluminum matrix added to it to dissipate heat for easy cleanup and more accurate, cleaner cuts. This blade is ideal for both cross-cutting and ripping on a table saw. The module is suitable for softwoods, hardwoods, composite materials, pressure-treated lumber and plywood. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.